So yeah guys, I arrived in Taiwan. This is my hotel room. Once again, I didn't stay in a hostel because imagine arriving in a country for the first time and you have to share with people and you can't be turning lights at 2 a.m. or wherever you want because that's not really friendly. So yeah, I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights and then I'm gonna stay in the hostel for 1 night. I'm gonna experience the backpacker life for just 1 night. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But now I'm gonna go eat because I didn't have anything all day. And I'm gonna come back and rest and plan my day tomorrow. So yeah, let's explore the night's life of Taiwan. Morning guys, so I'm in Taiwan right now. I was meant to go out yesterday night, have some food, explore my area, but I just ended up sleeping. But here we are, new day, new mentality, and hopefully I get to do what I said I was gonna do. I feel like when I get to a new country, I just go back to my old ways of just wanting to stay in the hotel and never leave, but I'm trying to change that. So today I'm gonna go have some breakfast downstairs, come back, refresh, and ready to go outside and become a tourist like I was meant to be. Let's go have some breakfasts. Guys, at this point I don't know where I'm walking to, but hopefully I'm going the right way. And I didn't know it was gonna be raining this much. Yeah, they said, oh, it rains here and then, but it's bloody raining all day. But it's okay, it's like being in England 2.0. So yeah, but I can hear the waterfall. I think I'm in the right place.
One, two, three, let's go.
Thank you. 今天晚餐你要这样吃哦？
没有啊。
Copa meal tea.
Number 2.
I've been out all day and now I'm back, and yeah, I saw the waterfall. I went to Shifen Old Street, and it's supposed to like give Spirit to the Way vibes, you know, and all that. Enjoyed my day, but it was freaking raining all day, so all my clothes go wet, all my shoes go wet. But we move in Shifen Old Town. I bought this snack I forgot to eat, so we're gonna try it out now. I saw a girl on TikTok have this, but I forgot what she said, what it was, so I'm hoping it's gonna be good. It's giving matcha vibes already. Never mind. I like this. I think it's red beans. If not, I don't know what it is. But it's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna freshen up and then I'm gonna go have dinner. And yeah, that was my day. So you still have time. So yeah guys, I'm back from having dinner, and yeah, that was day 1 done. Gonna, I don't know, see you tomorrow. So day 2, time to check out, and I'm gonna go stay in a hostel. Yeah, hostel. But it's an experience that I think I need, so I can tell people I'll never do it again, because I know it's not for me, but we'll see. But yeah, time to say goodbye to this amazing hotel. Clean, comfortable bed, and yeah, let's go start the day.
行5号，请到柜台取餐。